Welcome back! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications for original audio on the Instagram app using your PC. If you enjoy discovering trending sounds or want to stay updated whenever new original audio is available, this setting is definitely worth enabling. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged into your account, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is your main menu. Click on those 3 lines to open up more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can control different features and preferences. Now, inside the Settings section, find and click on Notifications. This is where Instagram allows you to manage all the alerts you receive. Next, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of different notification types that you can customize. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Original Audio. This is the setting that controls alerts for new or trending audio content on Instagram. To turn it on, simply select On under Original Audio. Once you do that, Instagram will start sending you notifications whenever there's new original audio you might be interested in.